Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Wow Embossing Powder. We've got a rather exciting mini launch. It's a brand new quad inspired by Seth Apter. I'm excited to introduce Heritage, a set of 4 exclusive powders that will not be available as singles. So all of our duos, trios and quads come in our new and improved packaging, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to open. You'll see a dotted line and a little pair of scissors indicating where to cut. Now I prefer to use my craft knife, but scissors will work too. You just need to cut through the label, not through the cardboard, and then you can easily peel it apart, release those jars and dispose of it as per your local refuse policies. Let's take a look at each one of those colours with these really rather large swatches. So we'll start with Admiral. I've got a panel of our Wow Superior Smooth cardstock here, and I'm taking my Wow ink pad directly to that paper, smooshing and dragging to make sure that I've got really good coverage all over. Now, when you're doing this type of inking, you need to make sure that your ink pad is plenty juicy. So I've got my rollerball ink pad conditioner there to reapply more ink if my pad starts to feel dry. Pouring that gorgeous blue Admiral all over the inked up area, using some scrap paper underneath to catch the excess, which I can then funnel right back into the pot. Now make sure that your heat tool is really hot before bringing it to your cardstock to avoid warping it. Then heat from behind wherever possible for best results. I've left this section in real time so you can get a picture of how long it actually takes, and you can see how I'm moving the heat based on the area of embossing that's melting. As soon as I see it start to change, I move the heat. This avoids overheating the powder, which would cause it to kind of sink into the cardstock. It'll lose all its shine and any dimension, and we definitely don't want that. A stormy fusion of deep blues and muted greens, Admiral is a commanding mix of primary and earth tone powders. For the other swatches, I'm going to speed us back up a little bit, but you can still see that oh so satisfying melt. Metallic without the high shine, Pumice is a subtle blend of silver and soft grey that captures the look of weathered stone or oxidised metal. Earthy, bold and elemental, Kiln is a rich red-toned powder that evokes fired clay, scorched pigment and the heat of creation. And lastly, layered and organic, Castleton is a grounded green with subtle shifts in tone, combining earth tone and opaque greens for a truly versatile blend. Inspired by aged surfaces, natural elements, and Seth's latest paper artsy ink palette, each powder in our new Heritage quad is designed to build depth, contrast, and mystery on any project. Here's some of the gorgeous inspiration made by our talented design team and guest designers. Heritage Quad is available now, and I've dropped the links into the description box below. Let us know in the comments which colour is your favourite. Happy embossing!